Good Monday, everyone. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Residents across the Western Cape began the work week with almost a fresh new perspective, and that's thanks to the rain showers you experienced on Saturday and Sunday, something you don't normally see this time of year. Now, the low pressure system responsible for the rainfall continues to move away from the Western Cape, and we are seeing clearing skies taking place near the greater Cape Town region. That's expected to continue overnight. Now, moving our camera across the central and eastern half, we have our typical summertime thunderstorms developing across the Highveld, including Pretoria and Johannesburg, and this extends towards the Durban coast. Some of these storms could be strong to severe overnight over southern sections of KwaZulu-Natal. In fact, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for the potential of large hail and damaging winds within that region. So, just to reiterate, strong to severe weather possible across southern KZN. That's for the next 3 to 6 hours. As we go forward in time into your Tuesday morning, you can see how our computer models clear out the skies quite nicely along the southern Cape. But we do have another chance of showers and thunder showers across the Lowveld, Escarpment, Highveld, and parts of the East Coast, while the southwestern Cape starts to sizzle. Wait till you see these daytime highs on Tuesday. Back to tonight, chances of rain will be greatest where you see the darker shading of blue from Durban into Bethlehem, Harrismith, as well as Pretoria and Johannesburg. We have a 40% chance of rain that surrounds that, and isolated rain showers expected overnight, as I've already mentioned, from George into Port Elizabeth. Here's a look at your Metrovision for the Durban coast. Temperatures will be mild, showers and thunderstorms expected tonight, some of which could be strong to severe. Our winds change from a northeasterly direction to a southwester this Tuesday, just light to moderate, and daytime highs will warm about 5 degrees from their overnight lows. Expect a maximum temperature of 28 by Tuesday afternoon. Here's your wind stream map across South Africa. You can see the change in wind direction over the KZN coast, starting the day with a northeaster, but again, a southwester builds across that region. A northerly wind component across the central and western half, with an east to southeasterly wind expected along the southern Cape, stretching into Cape Town. Temperatures overnight dropping into the middle teens across the central parts, 16 in fact for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, lower 20s across the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal coast, and 17 tends to be a popular minimum temperature from East London to Port Elizabeth and George. Maximum temperatures this Tuesday will be warm to hot along the west coast, 28 for Johannesburg, 31 near Pretoria, upper 20s to lower 30s across the KwaZulu-Natal province. Wednesday's midweek forecast, we keep the coastal areas dry, isolated Highveld thunderstorms once again, but by Thursday we see another chance of rain from Durban, stretching towards PE and Cape Town.